Tosa Group is bringing the LOGIMAT fair to the next level. We're not only offering machines, but also advanced services based on digital solutions. On one side, to support the customer in real time. On the other side, to be able to provide consultancies on how to improve the production process. Imagine you're here at LOGIMAT and one of your technicians is calling you because the machine's not working. You want to precisely know the reason why. So there are several ways to do so. First of all, you could check all the video recordings to have an image of what happened. On the other side, you could also navigate the machine recorder where you have the whole list of events just happening before the stop. On the other side, you could be also interested in reviewing your production. So you would go to the Lean Analytics section and see what happened in the last day or in the last hour. If you want even more detail, you can go to the process cycle analysis. You can pick a specific pallet ID and you can have information regarding every single phase of the production and wrapping process. Now, imagine of being an operator on the line. You've been hired only a couple of weeks ago and there's nobody here to support you, but you have an issue. Luckily, you have a service technician colleague that can support you 24/7 and in more than 150 languages. Now, let's make an example. Hi Winston, I'm really tired because the film keeps breaking, but I really don't know what to do. Can you please help me?
Here's a detailed explanation of the possible causes and solutions. Causes. 1. Damaged film reel. The film reel might have physical damage, such as tears or irregularities. 2. Incorrect wrapping program.
These two solutions, so the possibility to visualize the data in real time and have it support 24/7, are our ways to put you, our customer, at the center.